Hi, it's Chav Weather here with a video looking at Cyclone Asani, which hit India on May the 10th, 2022. "110 km/h winds were recorded as the tropical cyclone approached India's east coast. Heavy rain caused flooding in a number of areas in Andhra Pradesh, including the city of Chennai. Power cuts have been reported as electricity cables are affected by the high winds. Red alerts are in place for a number of regions, including Krishna and Guntur. Around 200 emergency shelters have been set up to help residents affected by the storm. Cyclone Asani formed in the Bay of Bengal and is set to be followed by Cyclone Karim, which has formed in the Indian Ocean. Authorities are assessing the damage caused, with a continuing impact expected to be felt over the coming days. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.